Honorable Speaker, I want to thank the Honorable Member for asking this question. But before that, Honorable Speaker, I wish to congratulate you on your appointment. Honorable Speaker, you look great on the chair, Honorable Speaker. The way you started the session yesterday, Honorable Speaker, no one will say that we just began yesterday. Honorable Speaker, it's a good omen for the House, and this House is blessed to have you as the Speaker of this House. And I join all my colleagues on this side, on the other side as well, to congratulate you. Honorable Speaker, Honorable Member has asked a very relevant and pertinent question, given the importance of agriculture to the Fijian people. Honorable Speaker, if you look at the growth trajectory of any country, you will note that apart from a few countries, oil-producing countries, almost all the countries' growth and development has been as a result of the performance of agriculture sector. Normally, you will see, Honorable Speaker, that agriculture provides the leverage to the non-agriculture sector through the surplus created within the agriculture sector for the growth and development of the non-agricultural sector. But having said that, agriculture is important to the livelihood of the people, even in the middle or advanced stage of the country's growth and development, cannot be underestimated. Particularly in developing countries where still a significant and large proportion of the people live in the rural, remote, and maritime country like Fiji and the Pacific Island countries. So, Honorable Speaker, any dollar of investment, any public dollar of investment in agriculture is investment in the livelihood of the people in the remote and rural area. Honorable Speaker, the peculiar characteristic of agriculture sector and agricultural investment is that it reaches the remotest people, it reaches the most vulnerable people, and it gives a hand and leverage to those people who may not have any education or any skill. That is a very peculiar feature of agriculture, growth and development and investment, is that anyone can get engaged in agriculture and get their livelihood. Honorable Speaker, the Ministry of Agriculture's budget overall, apart from contributing towards growth and development and contributing to the country's foreign exchange and revenue collection, also deals with how we could leverage and improve the livelihood of the rural and remote communities. In this, Honorable Speaker, this is how we intend, how we are improving the livelihood. One is the agricultural investment, agricultural expenditure. We are trying to see how we could expand the agricultural output. So that's one way of improving the livelihood. Number two is to see if at least minimum they could maintain the level of production. Number three is see how we could, if they're maintaining the existing level of production, how they can improve the productivity. So within the same acreage, one is to see how they can expand the acreage. Number two is to see that how